everybody, welcome back. I have for you guys today a Gucci unboxing. It's actually from the men's collection, and you know, we all know a lot of the stuff that Gucci does make is unisex, so this is a unisex item. So let's get into it. So here is the receipt envelope with the receipt in it. Okay, I'm wearing my Gucci ring that I got last time I was there, which is probably, what was it? I don't remember now. Alright, so here's the lovely box that the sales associates, you know, will wrap up nicely for you guys. I'm actually liking the green box. I know it was changed from the black and white that everyone loved, and this one has a couple of negative responses because of the way people felt that the dust bag looked like a potato sack. But I don't know, I think it's, you know, ethereal. It does have a Alessandro's, you know, kind of feel to it. Obviously he's no longer the creative director. So the essay did tell me that the items that are now still in the boutique are, a lot of them are from Alessandro Michele, and whatever they eventually will try to, I guess, sell, you know, in a matter of time. I think he says come January they might start putting in the new creative director's designs. Oh, I can't remember his name, but I know he used to work, he was the creative director for Valentino, which I love as well. Beautiful dresses and skirts, and very nice. So anyway, so this is part of the collection under Alessandro Michele. So if you guys admire a lot of his stuff like I do, make sure you get it before they start exiting the stores, you know, the boutiques. Luckily, maybe they'll find, some of them will find their way into the outlet. So, but it'll be a matter of time, within a couple of months. Okay, so let's go ahead and unbox this beauty. I love the little Gucci print on the bow. Couldn't think of it. All right, let's put this here. And there we go. A brown paper. Alright. Here's the potato sack looking dust bag that some people complain about, but it's alright, you know. It goes with the theme of the box, very organic, should I say. Okay, so it is actually a handbag, which you wrap up so nicely, and messenger bag. This is a small size. Prior to visiting the boutique, I had decided that I thought I wanted the large size, which is 12 inches. But this looks better on my body, and I think this is the perfect size. I can use every daily basis. You know, it's really more of an everyday bag. I mean, I love my Gigi Marmont camera bag, but I don't know, I just wanted something even more casual. And one of the reasons why I chose this one is because I wanted the strap, you know, the web design on the strap, which I'll show in a second. So this is, so it has a zipper pocket in the front. You can put your cell phone or what have you, and here's the strap, the web strap. I've been wanting one, you know. It's been whatchamacallit, trendy for a while now with the strap like this, and usually it's attached to a leather bag or canvas. Part of me wished that it was a classic green and red color because that's a quintessential Gucci, but this is, I realized that this is used more for some of the stuff in the men's collection. And I know the aces are also unisex, and I have a pair of black aces, and they also have the blue and red detail on. So I guess it kind of goes with that whole theme. So it'll be matchy with my aces. So here you have it. It actually, what I did was when I was in the store, whatever I had in my current Gucci handbag, I was able to fit in here, and it would just look better. Like, it was not like I kind of forced myself to get a smaller bag because I tend to put stuff in that I don't really need. And the reason with the Marmont, I just, even though I felt that, you know, I minimalized a lot of the items in there, I just felt like it was more of a annoying to, you know, put things back, get things in, and I thought this size was not gonna do it, but it actually did it, and there was more room. So you have the Gucci leather plate here, I guess what you can call it. Inside the bag is black cloth inside the bag, and there's also an inside pocket that is, I'm not sure if you can see it. It's leather pocket. You can probably put, you can also use you put your cell phone, but basically this is, you know, it's one big inside. Here's the strap, and let me get the description for you guys real quick. This is the small camera bag. It also comes with the larger camera bag, which on the side is described as yeah, so this here is what I got, which is the small GG small black small messenger bag. And yeah, so let me show you the other one. So it's a GG small messenger bag. Product details. First used in the 1970s, the GG logo was an evolution of the original Gucci rhombi design from the 1930s. So small size, so 21 cm times 23.5 height. I think it comes out to like maybe about 10 inches this way, and maybe 3, 6, no, maybe 10, 8, I'm not sure. 20-inch drop. So cotton lining. So it's partly leather, mostly canvas. And let me just show you the other size that I thought would be the one that I would end up buying. Well, I don't, yeah, so the other size was much bigger, and again, it didn't look as good on me, like proportion wise. So there you have it. Let me see if I can bring this up. It looks exactly like this, but it's bigger. It's funny because this is the black messenger bag, right, that I got, the small one. Focus. And this one is the bigger picture, and this one is the bigger size, which is kind of funny, which is smaller. But so the larger size is called just the GG Black Messenger. And let's see what measures. It says 27 cm, so it's not much, but I mean, this is, let's see how it looks on the model. See how big it is? It's much bigger. So for those who want a bigger bag, that's the way it looks. But yeah, I'm happy with my purchase. This is what I wanted. And of course it was nicer because it was cheaper. I know the essay told me that there was a price increase. in January of this year, and I don't remember if he said there's gonna be another one, but you know, yeah, again, you know, these price increases are getting ridiculous, right? So like I said earlier in the video, if you still want to grab a couple items from the Gucci boutique that was under the former creative director Alessandro Michele, make sure you do. This is one of the items that was under his tenure at Gucci, so you know, grab it because it eventually, and he said on January or February, in a matter of like what, 2-3 months, they will start bringing in the new creative director's design. So yeah, just to let you know, guys. So anyway, thank you. I'm gonna put the price up here. I mean, you can just, I think it was on my phone for this item. And yeah, thanks for coming back. Forgot to take the thing off of here. So there you have it. That's a Gigi small messenger bag in canvas with some leather trim and the blue and red Gucci web strap. Thanks, guys. I'll see you next time, and have a great autumn.